Hi, I'm Veronica Wasek with the 5minutebookkeeping.com blog, where we show you how to minimize bookkeeping and maximize profits. So if you're looking to do your own bookkeeping, you're wondering what it takes to do your own bookkeeping, I'll share some insights with you. First of all, if you're using QuickBooks Online, the very first thing you have to do is set it up. And while QuickBooks Online will attempt to do a basic setup for you, and it tries to do a specific setup for your business, there's probably things about your business that are unique. And therefore, you have to set up QuickBooks specifically to your business to get the most out of it. Second, you should learn how to work with QuickBooks Online. And at my blog, 5minutebookkeeping.com, I provide you with free QuickBooks Online training. I've shared the link below in the description box. So you can take advantage of all of the free training. And yes, it will take some time because you have to learn it from scratch. And as opposed to other software, QuickBooks Online is not what you would consider an intuitive software, and mainly because it is a business management software. It's a accounting and bookkeeping software, and it's complex. So it's not as easy as just adding an app on your phone and just learning it as you go. It does take time for you to learn, and you do need to invest that time if you want to be successful in doing your own bookkeeping. Number 3, then you have to get into a routine, into a rhythm of working on your own bookkeeping. That means that you need to do some tasks daily. Some might be weekly, some might be twice a month, some might be monthly, quarterly, annually. Just depends on what you're looking to do. But the main thing is that you do need to get into a routine. Now, I have put together a couple of resources that you can take advantage of. One is QBO bank feeds in 5 minutes a day. So this is a free cheat sheet that I have put together to help you work through your QuickBooks Online bank feeds in just 5 minutes a day. The other resource that I've put together is the Daily 5 in 5. And this is a list of 5 bookkeeping tasks that you should be doing every day. So look at it as a foundation of getting engaged with your bookkeeping on a daily basis. And the most important thing you can do is to engage with your bookkeeping, even if it's 5 minutes a day. Do it on a daily basis, because the worst mistake that business owners make with their bookkeeping is that they actually don't do any bookkeeping because they put it off for so long. So just spend 5 minutes a day on your bookkeeping, and you'll be amazed at what you can do. I'm Veronica Wasek with the 5minutebookkeeping.com blog. Subscribe to my channel to get all of my latest videos. Visit my blog at 5minutebookkeeping.com and take advantage of the free resources listed in the description box below. Bye.